Marine life. Let's dive underwater. How marine life was. Marine life was once abundant and diverse. There were millions of species of fish, invertebrates, and other animals living in the oceans. These animals played important roles in the marine ecosystem. They help to regulate the flow of nutrients, recycle waste, and provide food for other animals. Marine life was also a vital source of food for humans. Fish and other seafood have been a staple food for many cultures for centuries. How marine life is now. Marine life is under threat from a number of human activities. Overfishing, pollution, and climate change are the three biggest threats. Overfishing is the removal of fish from the ocean at a rate that exceeds the ability of fish populations to recover. This has led to the depletion of many fish stocks, making it harder for humans to catch the fish they need for food. Pollution from land-based sources, such as agricultural runoff and sewage, can enter the ocean and harm marine life. Pollution can kill marine animals directly, or it can make them sick or interfere with their ability to reproduce. Climate change is causing the oceans to warm and acidify. This can harm marine life in a number of ways, including making it harder for them to find food, reproduce, and survive. How marine life will be if we do not protect it now. If we do not protect marine life, the situation is likely to get worse. Overfishing will continue to deplete fish stocks. Pollution will continue to deplete fish stocks. Pollution will continue to harm marine habitats, and climate change will continue to warm the oceans and acidify the water. As a result, marine life will continue to decline, and many species will go extinct. This will have a devastating impact on the marine ecosystem, and it will also harm human populations that rely on seafood for food. Let's see with some specific examples of what can happen to marine life if we do not protect it now. Overfishing. Overfishing can lead to the collapse of fish populations, which can have a cascading effect on the entire marine ecosystem. For example, when fish populations decline, it can lead to an increase in the number of jellyfish, which can then prey on other marine life. Pollution. Pollution can kill marine animals directly, or it can make them sick or interfere with their ability to reproduce. For example, oil spills can kill marine animals that come into contact with the oil, and they can also harm marine habitats. Climate change. Climate change is causing the oceans to warm and acidify, which can harm marine life in a number of ways. For example, warmer water can make it harder for some fish species to find food, and it can also make it harder for them to reproduce. Habitat destruction. Human activities such as construction, deep-sea drilling, and coastal development contribute to the destruction of marine habitats. These activities cause acute changes in the habitat, disturbances, and the generation of pollutants. This compromises the survival of marine species and disrupts the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Let's see what we can do to protect our marine life. Reducing our reliance on seafood. We can reduce our reliance on seafood by eating less fish and other seafood, and by choosing seafood that is sustainably caught. We can also support businesses that are working to reduce their environmental impact, such as those that use sustainable fishing practices or that are working to reduce food waste. Reducing pollution. We can reduce pollution by making changes to our everyday lives, such as recycling and composting, using less energy, and driving less. We can also support businesses that are working to reduce their pollution, such as those that are using renewable energy sources or that are reducing their waste. Investing in renewable energy sources. We can invest in renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power to reduce our reliance on fossil fuels. This will help to reduce pollution and protect marine life from the effects of climate change. Supporting sustainable fishing practices. We can support sustainable fishing practices by buying seafood that is certified as sustainable by a reputable organization. We can also avoid eating seafood that is caught using destructive fishing methods, such as bottom trawling. Protecting marine protected areas. Marine protected areas are areas of the ocean that are protected from fishing, pollution, and other human activities. They play an important role in protecting marine life and ensuring the health of the oceans. We can support marine protected areas by donating to organizations that are working to protect them, or by getting involved in local efforts to protect them, or by getting involved in local efforts to protect marine life. By taking these actions, we can help to protect marine life and ensure a healthy future for the ocean. Protecting marine protected areas. Marine protected areas are areas of the ocean that are protected from fishing, pollution, and other human activities. They play an important role in protecting marine life and ensuring the health of the ocean. We can support marine protected areas by donating to organizations that are working to protect them or by getting involved in local efforts to protect marine life. By taking action to protect marine life now, we can ensure that future generations can enjoy the benefits of a healthy ocean. If we do not take action to protect marine life, the consequences could be dire. We could lose millions of species of fish, invertebrates, and other animals. This would have a devastating impact on the marine ecosystem, and it would also harm human populations that rely on seafood for food. However, there is still time to act. By taking steps to reduce our impact on the oceans, we can protect marine life and ensure a healthy future for the planet. The future of marine life is uncertain, but it is clear that we need to take action to protect it. By reducing our reliance on seafood, reducing pollution, investing in renewable energy sources, supporting sustainable fishing practices, and protecting marine protected areas, we can help to ensure a healthy future for the ocean. We can change everyone's life if we change ours.
Till then, catch you next time.